Now, people, we have some very shocking and sad news. We have learned that dancehall entertainer Gully Bop has passed. Now, people been seeing it on social media since the morning, but never had any credible source until I saw TVJ posted this. Our news center has received reports that dancehall entertainer Gully Bop has died. It's been reported that the Bop was whose given name is Robert Lee was admitted to the Kingston Public Hospital for some time before passing. So right now, people, it's being confirmed by TVJ official page that dancehall artist Gully Bop has passed. More everybody type R.I.P in the comment section. Extremely sad.
Morning IG, Auntie Dana here, and we have Gully Bop the entertainer over here seeking help in the planker shop. He is sick and we're calling out. Auntie Dana cannot help him. We're calling out all the entertainment fraternity. We used to work with ex-girlfriend and everybody Gully Bop need help. I have him over on my YouTube live over on YouTube. Come on over there to watch. Anybody sickness can take. That's why people don't say take sickness cause people. Pastor bring him come here. Say pastor here. Gully Bop don't have a phone. And we asking Amari, and all, and who you did with again? The Chinese lady. Miss Chin. Yes. Miss Chin and all of your next girlfriend them where you did have. If you even come up with even a $50 or a $100 Auntie Dana plane, all the site them will put your pink wall everywhere. All of the site them will always put him up. Una me I beg gonna share this so that Gully Bop can get help. Then bring him come at 99 for help. And he don't have a phone and he need bags. Every girl will get a work off fine. See somebody put it up in the comment. Una please. No laughing planker shop. We're serious. This is a serious thing. Him sick and him have the money in our food. You say food too?
Yeah, man.
You don't have any children, Mr. Gully Bop? No disrespect, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we are there. Alright?
Between me and you, I'm not afraid to talk and then worse on the people in the room.
So you never look after your children
I
then?
never look up at them and mind them, some of them don't know them mama.
Alright. So Mr. Gully Bop, guys, please meet me over on the YouTube channel, Dana Go. We want to help, but
And people, this is just a short update. I will keep you posted as the story develops. But people, I'm going to leave you with this video of some celebrities that were actually on live while the earthquake was shaking. People, take a look at this.
Really, I broke loud kind of something.
I can't see the God in my cat back.
Oh my god.
Ready?
We're seeing the God in the bathroom right now.
Ready?
Hand movements important.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. May His favor be upon.
Oh my god, earthquake.
Oh shit.
It was like, oh shit, we're having an earthquake.
Oh my God, what?
Fine. Why did we miss the vote then?
But the
Wow.
minister said,
We are
why
having
we
an
miss the vote?
earthquake. Oh God.
Somebody said you're a gold mine. Somebody can tell me 2 money but one beer. What? 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 Quit! What? Somebody can tell me. What? 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 Quit! One beer,
Earthquake in Jamaica.
Mr. Trainer, if we don't come like this time, we run out of the house. And that's something I look up in the top car. I saw me see the house and go. Jesus Christ, babes.
wake up here. Wake up.
From a born until now, the wickedest earthquake this never feel. From 1959, my born at the world, and the wickedest thing this never feel. Me say, I no matter earthquake, they are earthquake. This is the one where me feel.
Oh, you mean if we deserve blood clot earthquake? Oh, you mean if Jamaica forget earthquake? Right now, a full blood clot here in Jamaica forget every bumbo clotting. To all me grew up and to all we used to go to church and worship God and everybody used to right on the left out blood clot God. That me a try tell now be a guard up and be a bumbo clot over this and be a island this and powder. Earthquake in on the bumbo clot, of course. 3 more earthquake like that you want in on a pussy wall. That me a tell.
Ponce! Come out and do a Ponce and mash me, I go mash up. I want me $50. I want me $50. Ponce want me $50. I don't business for $50. I want me $50, Ponce. Mash me, I go mash up, Ponce. Earthquake! Earthquake! Jesus, save me! Save me! Ponce. I said my life flashed before my eyes a while ago. But I want the $50 here, Ponce. Yeah. I only have one life to live. Yeah, it's true because I was hoxed in you for it so many times. I was very upset, Ponce. But you know, I think God gave me a sign, Ponce, to live good with people, Ponce. So you can keep the $50 here. Right? Or you can give me back if you want to. But I'm gonna mash up, Ponce. My life flashed before my eyes a while ago. Alright, Ponce, you can come over for dinner, yeah? Thank you, Jesus. Amen.